Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun, and today in the series of We All Can Read, we are going to learn a new letter pattern called consonant digraphs. Let's meet the H brothers. The H brothers are also called H consonant digraphs. Now what is a digraph? When two letters or consonants come together to make a new sound, it's called digraph. As we see that the letters CH, TH, PH, WH and SH are consonant teams or consonant digraphs. They are two letters that when put together make entirely new sound. And to make a connection between these five consonant digraphs, they are called H brothers. So here is the H family and this is the story of H brothers. The H consonant digraphs are called H brothers because they all have letter H in their names. And the names are Charlie, Whit, Theo, Phil and Sean. Each brother is very different and they all have different talents. What is their talent? Each brother likes to make a special sound. The first brother is Crazy Charlie. He loves chocolate and cherries. He loves to play with toy trains and always makes the ch, ch, ch sound over and over again. So students, when two letters C and H, they come together, they make the sound ch. So this is digraph ch. C and H coming together makes the sound ch. And some words that start with digraph ch are chain, chips, chalk, chair, chin and chop. So C and H coming together make the sound ch. The second brother is Whistling Whit. He wants nothing else in the whole wide world but to learn how to whistle. He spends all day blowing and blowing, wah, 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 but no sound ever comes out. So students, when letter W and H come together, they make the sound V, V. This is digraph V. W and H coming together to make the sound V. And some question words that start with digraph V are why, where, when, which and what. So remember, W and H, whenever you see these two letters together, you will make the sound V, V. The third brother is Impolite Theo. He is the bad boy of the family. He likes to go around sticking his tongue out at everybody who comes close to him. He makes the sound th, th, th as his tongue comes out. Sometimes when adults are around, he just sticks his tongue behind his teeth and makes the sound the, thinking no one will see what he is doing. So students, letters T and H, when they come together, they can make two sounds. One is th and one is the. The th sound is also called the unvoiced sound of TH. Just stick the tip of your tongue out and make the sound th. Some words that start with digraph th are thumb, thick, thirst, three and thank. Other is the voiced sound of TH, that is the. Just stick the tip of your tongue behind your teeth and make the sound the. The words that start with letter the are this, these, then, there and they. So this is digraph TH that can make two sound th and the. Then there is the fourth brother, Chatterbox Phil or Talkative Phil. He just loves to talk. He is always on the phone and talks for a long time. When he is looking for his phone, he goes around making the sound and asks, "Where is my phone? Where is my phone?" So, dear students, letters P and H, when they come together, they make the sound. This is digraph. P and H coming together to make the sound. And some words that start with this digraph are photo, face, phonics, phrase, phantom, and pharmacy. So remember, this is fourth digraph. Digraph P and H making the sound. All these noises drives the fifth brother Quiet Sean absolutely nuts. Quiet Sean likes silence. He goes behind all brothers all day saying shh, shh, shh to remind them to keep quiet. So you see students, this is the fifth digraph. Shh. Two letters S and H, they are coming together to make a new sound, and that sound is shh. So whenever you see these two letters together, S and H, which sound you are going to make? Shh. Some words that start with this digraph are shell, short, ship, and shape. But it's not necessary that digraph is only coming in the beginning of a word. They can also come in the middle or at the end of a word. For example, this digraph sure is coming at the end in splash and push, but it is coming in the middle in washing and fishing. So this is last digraph of H brothers. Shh. S and H making the sound shh. It is no wonder the H brothers' mom is so exhausted every day. The H brothers make life around their house very exciting. So kids, I hope you must have enjoyed watching the video and meeting the H brother. Let's once again recall the H brothers digraph. CH says ch, TH make two sounds, th and the. WH make the sound v, SH makes the sound sh, and PH makes the sound f. So these are 5 consonant digraphs. Now read these words: white, teacher, graph, shark, cloth, and father, and try to find out which digraphs are used here. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned in. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.